Hello, all. Welcome to chapter 4 from the book of Deuteronomy. In the beginning of this chapter, we see Moses appeals to the Israelites to obey God's commandments. Moses wants not to add or remove from the instructions he is giving to the Israelites. He also warns not to worship Baal, or they would be destroyed just like the guilty Israelites. Moses says that no other nation had the privilege of knowing the righteous judgments of the Lord. We then see Moses informs the Israelites to follow the commandments and make sure that it is also passed on to the coming generations. Moses reminds them of the day when they all gathered at the foot of Mount Horeb, that is Mount Sinai, and heard the Lord speak. Moses instructs the Israelites to carefully follow the Ten Commandments. Moses warns against making any images or idols of worship. The creation, like the sun, moon, stars, plants, animals, birds, and aquatic animals, should not be worshipped. All of these creations have been given to entire mankind as a heritage and not items of worship. We then see Moses says he would not be able to enter the promised land because of his mistake. Moses therefore warns them against any form of idol worship, for the Lord is a jealous God and a consuming fire. Moses warns that if the Israelites worship idols, they will be banished from the promised land. The Israelites will scatter among the peoples and will be left few in number among the nations. So we see about a prophecy that is going to come true in the coming books. Moses prophesies that when in a banished state, if the Israelites will seek God with all their heart and soul, God will not forsake nor will destroy them. God will remember the covenant he made with them. So, again, this is a prophecy that is going to come true when the Babylonians will banish or exile the Israelites. The Israelites will pray on to God, and God will bring them and restore them into the promised land. We then see Moses informs if the Israelites search the history of mankind, then they will not find any nation or people having the privilege to hear God's voice. No other nation got the privilege to see the signs and wonders God performed. Moses asked the Israelites to consider all of this and obey God's commandments carefully and be blessed. We then see Moses sets apart three cities of refuge outside of the promised land. These cities were from the land given to the tribes of Reuben, Gad, and Manasseh. Towards the end of this chapter, we see Moses gave all these instructions before the Israelites entered the promised land. Details of the region that was captured outside of this promised land are provided. This is how the chapter ends. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until next time, may God bless us all. Bye bye.